Welcome to day 3, and we're still in week 4 of our 12-week challenge. This video serves as a reminder for you to go do it. All right, all of those tasks that you have set up for today, go do it. If you've not written out your plan for today, go do it. Your tomorrow will thank you for the sacrifice that you're making today. Do it. It is not easy, but you've got to do it. It might not be fun, but you've got to do it. It might be stressful, but you've got to do it. At the end of the day, good things don't come easy. If it was easy, every one of us will be successful. So you've got to do the work. Pay the price today so that your tomorrow self will be thankful of the sacrifices that you make today. So please go and do the task that you've set out for this week. Your goals are valid. You deserve to live that life that you've always desired. And the fact that you thought about this goal means that you have the capacity to get it done, but you've got to do the work. Okay? So go do it. All right? I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.